Recently I came across a cool life hack, how to make an oil candle at home using a simple Coca-Cola can, and of course I decided to try it out. First, take a sharp knife and carefully cut off the top part of the can. Be careful when working with such thin metal, the edges are really sharp. It's best to wear gloves to protect your hands. After cutting off the top part of the can, take a pair of metal scissors, or any sturdy ones, and make 2 vertical cuts along the can, about 2 to 3 centimeters apart. Make sure to leave at least 5 centimeters from the bottom of the can. At first I tried to cut off the excess metal with a knife, but it didn't work. So I grabbed a pair of metal scissors and easily got the job done. Please write in the comments which country you're watching from and share this video with your friends. I'm sure they'll find it interesting too. Here's what my setup looked like in the end. Now, take the wide strip you cut out, fold it across the can, press it firmly, and straighten the edges so it stays securely in place. You can bend the strip either outward or inward, whichever works best for you. Next, I take an awl and make a hole in the center of this strip for the wick. Then using scissors, I widen the hole a bit to get the right diameter. But you can widen it using any tools or materials you have on hand. I'll make the wick out of a paper towel. You can also use toilet paper or any other soft paper like napkins. Now I cut the right piece of paper and roll it tightly to shape the wick. If there's any extra paper left, just trim it off. You can also make the wick from any cotton rope. After rolling the paper into a wick, I take the metal piece I cut from the can, smooth out its edges, and wrap it around the paper wick, forming a small metal tube. After wrapping the paper wick in metal, I cut off the excess. Now the wick is completely ready. Look how great it turned out. I didn't expect it to be this easy. I really like the result. Now I insert the finished wick into the hole I made in the can earlier and trim it to the right length. If the wick is too long, it might not work properly or won't light at all. For the fuel, I'll use sunflower oil, something almost everyone has in their kitchen. You can also use any other type of vegetable oil. I trimmed the wick a bit too short, so the flame doesn't light properly. Now I'll pull it out slightly with tweezers to make it burn better. The principle behind an oil candle is based on the capillary effect. The oil rises through the wick from the fuel reservoir, such as vegetable oil, and burns, keeping the flame alive. This kind of candle can be really useful in unexpected or emergency situations. When the power goes out and there's no other source of light, it'll help you avoid being left in complete darkness. I managed to make this candle and it actually works. I'm really happy with the result and will definitely use it if I ever need to.